Hello, this is Pine Clock Picking, and today we're going to be attempting to pick the Brinks model number 667-44102. Let me see if I can show you the bitting of the key. It is just a 4-pin lock, and this lock is extremely good for beginners just getting into spool pins. So first I'm going to attempt to pick this lock bottom of the keyway, and let's see how that goes. Alright, I'm already in a little bit of a false set. Oop. Get under pin 4. There we go. Okay, now we're in a very deep false set. Oop. Maybe back to pin 4. And we got an open. Alright, let's lock it back up. And now we're going to try top of the keyway. Oop. Bump my camera. Okay, now we're in a deep false set. And we got that open. Lock it back up. I do just want to prove the key does work. So that does work. So, if anybody is just starting out in the lock picking and you've got the basics down, like you're able to pick a master lock number 5 or number 3 and you're looking to get into spool pins, go to Walmart. Pick up one of these Brinks Padlocks. They do have a 5-pin model that I do not currently own, but I do want to pick up because as bad as these locks are, they did teach me a ton of valuable lessons when I first started picking. Anyway, good luck to everyone out there, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace, everyone. Bye.